Hey guys, and welcome back to Roma's Kitchen. So today I'll be showing you how to make some French toast for breakfast. Yes, some French toast. So if you want to see how French toast is made easy, Roma's Kitchen style, stick around right after this intro.
Girl, you better can't cook. Think you know you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book.
So to start guys, I'm going to be adding 1 cup of milk to my container here, and I'm using cow's milk here. If you don't have cow's milk, you can use almond milk, soy milk. Then I'm going to go in with a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and that's to get that nice cinnamony look and also the flavor from the cinnamon powder. Then I'm going to go in with a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You know, vanilla extract makes everything so yummy. Then I'm going to go in with 1 egg, and I'm just going to crack that right in. Next, I'm just going to whisk everything together. So next I'll be adding to this 1 tablespoon of soft granulated sugar, and if you want it a little bit on the sweet side, you can go ahead and add about a 1/4 teaspoon more of granulated sugar. And here I'm just whisking everything just to get the granulated sugar nice and dissolved. So that's it guys, my mixture is ready. Now here I have 3 slices of bread, but this mixture will actually give you 7 slices of French toast, but I'm only making 3 right now. So here's my pot over some low heat. I'm going to go in with some butter. I'm going to go in with some unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. You can add more butter, or if you do not have butter guys, you can use oil. And I'm just going to allow this to melt in my pot while I prepare my bread to be added to this. So guys, I'll be using some brown bread. You can use your favorite bread. Here I'm just adding it to the mixture for 5 seconds on each side. Then I'm just going to hold this a little for it to drain the excess mixture. Now I'm going to be adding the slice to my pan with my butter. And I'm just going to be doing the same thing for the other slices of bread. You want to get the butter all around guys, just so this allows all the edges to get that nice flavor from the butter. And my pot can only hold 2 slices of bread, so I'm just going to be showing you how to make 2 slices of French toast. So now that this one is also in, I'm going to be allowing these to get nice and golden brown on each side, and that may take about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Now I'm going to be flipping this, and look at how nice and golden brown this is. This is perfect. I'm going to be flipping the other piece, and I'm going to be allowing these to get the same color on the flipped side. Guys, that's lovely, that's great. And now it's time for me to remove my French toast from the pan. And guys, I'm serving my French toast here with some blueberries, some tangerine, and some maple syrup. You can serve it with whatever fruits you like, but it goes so well with some maple syrup guys. So this recipe was very easy. Let me know what you think about this recipe, and if you think that it was actually very easy. So guys, here you have it. I'm also having it with some scrambled eggs. So if you enjoyed this video guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn your post notifications on. Until next video.